In the colorful world of parrots, diversity knows no bounds. Join us on a 2-minute journey as we explore some of the most unique and captivating types of parrots that grace our planet. The rainbow of macaws. First on our list are the macaws, nature's living rainbows. From the scarlet macaw's fiery red plumage to the hyacinth macaw's stunning cobalt blue. These parrots are a visual feast for the eyes. The laughing kookaburra. In the land down under, we find the laughing kookaburra. Known for its hearty laughter-like call, this kingfisher may not be a classic parrot, but it's a fascinating and unique avian personality. The enigmatic key and the mountains of New Zealand. We find the enigmatic key, a mountain parrot known for its intelligence and mischievous behavior. These birds love to play and explore. The eccentric eclectus parrots. Among the parrot world's most eccentric, we find the eclectus parrots. Their distinct sexual dimorphism with males and females displaying entirely different colors is truly unique. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity within the parrot family. From the macaw's brilliance to the key's intelligence. Each parrot species is a testament to nature's boundless creativity.